आनंद पिया मेरी माए सतगुरु मैं पाया सतगुर ता पाया सहज सेती मन वजियां वधाइयां राग रतन परिवार
Namaste ji, namaste. Welcome to Courtroom. Today we have with us Meghna Ghosh, ranked 39, this year's NLSAT, and I want to discuss how she prepared, what she prepared for, and one more aim of this interview is I want to put out as many interviews as possible from younger folks who are taking this exam right out of college and clearing it, because many people are intimidated based on our phone call interactions by the top rankers who are mostly older in age. Like, for example, this has been happening since 23, 24, and now even in 25, and our experience. So a lot of college kids are slightly intimidated कि हम लोग कैसे compete करेंगे. नहीं, ऐसी कोई बात नहीं है. I want to interact with as many students as possible. So a brief introduction.
So my name is Meghna, and I did my undergraduation from WIPS IP University in journalism and mass communication.
Right.
Then I worked for 7 months or so in a corporate company as a media person. And I think back in August or September, I quit my job and joined TLOI as well as a batch student to start preparing for NLSAT and CUET as well.
Right. So August, September. So my first question, as I always ask, is how much time do you think it takes if you were to talk back to your older self, the August version last year?
Sir, I think it really depends. Actually, when I started in September, I was like, oh my God, I'm late. Look at everybody else, because I was also interacting with a lot of people who are preparing for the exam. They started back in June, July, and I thought I'm really, really late. But once I think you get the hang of it. So I think 5 months, 4 to 5 months is enough, because I seriously started preparing from the month of October, November. So I think that is sufficient time to seriously sit and prepare. And there was a point of time when I thought that I could manage a 9 to 5 job, a 10-hour shift along with the prep, but that's not really possible, because this exam does need dedicated time to go into preparation.
So 4 to 5 months, roughly speaking, for any student, but usse niche nahi, because you will need some time to prepare,
Yes,
right?
sir.
And Meghna, when she used to take the mocks at this very center, was one of the most pareshan students after every mock कि क्या हो रहा है ये और कैसे हो रहा है. तो but by the time I think you hit mock 7 and mock 8, you did relatively, you had figured it out कि क्या अब जिंदगी में क्या होने जा रहा है. And she is a student who didn't perform well in CUET thanks to maths, but cleared NLS Bangalore. तो ऐसे भी स्टूडेंट हैं. कई बार लोगों को लगता है कि एक बारी तैयारी कर लो तो सारे ही हो जाएंगे. This is a student to student thing of which exam suits your style better. Okay, now we go to part A.
So just before I go into part A, I just want to say that what you said is absolutely right, because it really depends on the pattern. Because even earlier I thought this way, that MHCET, CUET nahi clear ho raha, so there is no way I can clear NLS Bangalore. But the pattern is completely different. It does appeal to a demographic from every a profession or academic background, because the paper is very diverse. And if I come to part A, I think the bottom line of part A requires a lot of reading. So I was someone, given the institution and also the academic background I came from, because of COVID also, I was not habituated to the kind of reading that this examination requires. But I think one advice that I received from an ex-student really was a game changer for me, which is read the newspaper religiously every day. What happens is, and it really helped me not only with the essay portion and the CA portion, but it also helps because just in getting into the habit of reading, increasing the speed because there are a lot of things to consider in part A, and not just newspaper, but later on, I think around October or November, I was a part of the batch. So I remember this one advice that you gave that really, really helped me, that always highlight the word however in the passage. It stayed with me till 27th of April, which is the date of the exam. And I think, and also like a lot of seniors from NLS I connected with. I would like to actually name one of them, Meher Pandey. She really helped me through the prep, and she also connected me to a lot of others who have cleared the exam. And I remember that I used to solve a lot of CLAT past year question papers and GMAT and CAT, and these are all resources that are readily available online. But apart from these, I think what actually gave me clarity on what I need to work on is the actual mocks and the PYQs of NLSAT.
Right.
So I think that really.
Regarding Meher was a brilliant student, 24 rank 1 from the batch, and her interview, in fact, ये जिस channel पे मैं डालने वाला हूँ, it's called TLOI Academy. Her interview is on Courtroom by TLOI, but if you check the playlist, her interview also details out quite a lot as to how do you prepare this examination. If you wish to go ahead and prepare it on your own, that's a brilliant strategy video, and as you said, she helps out students, which is a great thing. Now you'll do that, and she'll also do that.
Certainly.
Else, right? Acha. So part A. Then we go to current affairs.
So again, I'll reiterate what I stated earlier. Newspaper reading is an integral part for covering part A, because, and also the Hulk files, because I remember that there were times in between because of health reasons or because I was giving away so much time to CUET in March. I was not able to go through the newspaper regularly in March, though not at all. So that's where the Hulk files really helped with the current affairs, because just a glance and the thing with current affairs is that usually I've heard people say it, and a lot of people just assume that you have to rote learn it, but there is nothing to rote learn, because if you see it in the exam and you've seen it somewhere else, you can just
in one of our last lives, मुझे याद है वो रॉबर्ट डुएटे, जो भी वो बंदे का नाम था, जो ICC ने जो अरेस्ट का नोटिस, I remember distinctly telling you guys कि ये प्रकट होने का 7वें आसमान का चांस है. इनफैक्ट 7 से 8 ऐसे थे जो बच गए हम लोग.
Yeah, and I think that happened with a lot of questions from your mocks. I think a majority of the CA questions were from the mocks that you gave.
Like this year our CA point was मतलब हुआ था, you were saying.
So like for example, that movie Mrs. And I remember thinking in the mocks that there's such less chance that this might come or might not come, but like when it came in the exam, I was like, this is such an obvious answer, but to somebody who might not have read about the movie, who might not have watched the movie, might not know about it. So I feel like for CA, one just needs to have a very multifaceted approach, and the only thing I would say to my past self is keep your eyes and ears open, because NLSAT also tends to cover a lot of controversial topics, from where the Robert Duarte question appeared, Mrs. Hayao Miyazaki, Ghibli. So a lot of them are from social media, newspapers also. So just a multifaceted approach.
NLSAT, since they are away from the clutches of being a national level paper, under not under the scrutiny of anyone, they've designed it in the manner that they ideally would design a paper. And I believe the key word is being aware. So for example, that Ghibli trend, तो it was expected कि या तो इसका फाउंडर के बारे में पूछेगा या फर्स्ट मूवी डिजाइंड, मतलब सब लोग अगर जीपीटी से वो अपने घिबली वाली डीपी बना रहे हैं, this is like shouting from one corner.
Yes,
that's why over 3 mocks I'd given 3 different editorials and asked pretty much everything associated with it. Mrs. के बारे में भी यही था, since it was such the great Indian kitchen, and I think in one of the mocks I'd even asked which actress was playing the lead role, etc. the director, you know, then you are really opening up the facet. But the key word is being aware. As she said, keep your eyes and ears open and be aware for this exam. Then we move to part B. But did you face any time management issues when you had just started taking the mocks in the classroom?
I just want to add one thing before I get into it. The mock experience will not influence your exam experience. Sitting in the exam will be like, so for instance, in mock 5 I did not get a very good score. Like, and you must remember I came into your office and I asked you that, so this is my score, what are the chances? But in the actual exam, it's thoda sa different from the mocks, because you're in a different space. Like in the mocks, I remember I was finishing early, but in the exam I took 1 hour, a good 1 hour 30 minutes. I started panicking a little bit later, but back then I just finished part A and then
mocks के बाद जो हमारा जो 20-25 मिनट का जो प्रवचन जो चलता है उसके अंदर this was the entire thing ना कि exam anxiety, that examination hall experience is when that clock is ticking and you are actually performing. यहाँ पे तो कभी कभार कोई लोग 15 मिनट लेट आ रहा है, कोई कह रहे जी शुरू करा लो, ये है वो है, बट एग्जाम हॉल में तो ऐसा कुछ होता नहीं है. बट I still believe taking an offline mock, for example, in a classroom really does help. Let us say that if compared to a purely online mock, मतलब ठीक है, of course, you know, every mock is useful, but in an offline setting, if you can manage it before the exam, I think we took like 8 mocks here. 2 though were sent as study material initially only. So this really helps. Now we go to part B.
So part B, again, like I was facing a major time constraint with part B. I was 100% confident before, like March में when we took a break, उसके पहले जो हमने last mock दिया था, I was like, there is no chance that this time I'm going to finish the paper. But
मेघना जब भी मॉक देती थी, जो दुनिया की जो सबसे बड़ी परेशान आत्मा जो 25-30 लोग जो यहाँ बैठते थे उनमें से, कि मुझे मेघना की शक्ल देख के लगता था कि वो दिक्कत में है कोई.
Yes, because I was not able to finish the paper. I remember जो 5 मॉक आपने यहाँ पे कंडक्ट किए थे, मैं ऐसे तक ही नहीं पहुँच पा रही थी. I did not write a single essay till I think the month of February or something. I started writing an essay quite later because I remember time management was a major issue, and you had given me the same feedback, and it took some time for me to implement it also. I remember you telling me that don't repeat the same points over and over again, even though the answer is a good answer, but make it more structured and like just limit yourself to make the point and move on, because there won't be any time. So that was a major hurdle that I had to overcome, again to reiterate, with a lot of feedback from you. In the offline mocks really helped, because just comparing, talking to people who are also giving the exam, what their strategy is.
That people, that really ends up making a difference. People underestimate that quite a lot. Even though we've had some brilliant students, like मेरे को बड़े दर्द है उनका, who didn't make it. But there have been some students from last year. Pragya is one of my most beloved students. She's ranked 32 if I'm not mistaken this year. No coaching, no mocks, but she took it last year. Had kept it all figured out, went to DU, was in complete silent mode, और इस साल हो गया तो she messaged कि हो गया. तो ऐसी भी जनता है, but that people, that interaction with the people, एक तो first it removes your anxiety कि you're not the only grand dumb fool of the world कि कुछ specific problem हो रही है. Second, when people get together, the selection has n number of factors to it. All of these rank lists, मतलब वहाँ बहुत ज़्यादा ही कुछ game है. यहाँ पर जो है, like for example, so everyone knows there are n number of factors to a selection. But when you get together with like-minded people, it really does help out कि क्या है और क्या नहीं है. Okay, now part B का तो ये वाला काम हो गया. Then we go to essays.
So initially though I was not even able to write an essay, and I think like until you do it, it's a barrier that you just can't break because it's such a daunting task. Because again, I was not used to writing so much, and there was a 350 word limit in the essay.
Yeah.
And but then later what I did, this one thing really worked for me. I remember when I started prepping in the month of September, I used to read an editorial twice and I used to try to summarize it in my own words.
Right.
Earlier I was writing very long summaries. Dheere dheere that came down, and when it becomes a consolidated effort by the time you're writing an actual essay for the exam. So just practice, and again reading the newspaper, and this is what I was very regular with, reading editorials, what editorials you also uploaded on the portal, and even on my own when I was reading the newspaper, because that became a habit.
Yeah.
After a point of time, it comes very naturally कि okay 10 बज के newspaper पढ़ना है अब. So क्या होता है with editorials ना, there is a structure they write it in.
Yeah.
So that structure one understands, and once you get the structure, it automatically happens that you stop being repetitive with your points. So again, that really helped, and I think by mock 6 onwards, I was writing the essay also. Now in the real exam, I really panicked after I finished the paper, because I was like, it's 100% not happening with me. I have not written the essay properly. But I think what worked out, actually, now I don't know for sure, this is, I'm just making a guess, that I gave a lot of examples. So there was, the topic was that should minors be allowed to use social media before they become majors? And fortunately, because I had read an editorial about it, the Telegram ka jo CEO tha, he got indicted in France. So all of that, it just came back to me. I put it in my essay, and I think that really worked out, because no matter what point you want to prove, unless you can support it with instances of the past, or like I think this happens in law also, precedent setting.
Yeah.
So unless you can do that, and I think it's something they look for also, that how aware you are. Because I remember आपने बताया था एक बार वो जो post mock sessions होते थे, which were really useful, कि they will give a very vague essay topic. You will have to identify what issue it is related to and include the pointers in the essay. You also mentioned this, and again, a lot of seniors I was speaking to, they also mentioned this. So I think that became instrumental in writing the essay. I wrote the essay in a panic because I was on a real time crunch.
तो चलो बाय बाय गॉड गिव्स. अच्छा अब मार्क्स कितना है वो तो मैं पूछने ही भूल गया था, because people are really interested in part A. क्या था?
So part A was 58.75.
Great.
And part B was 39, and my cumulative score was 97.75.
I have a student, मतलब मैं उनसे इंटरव्यू अरेंज नहीं कर पा रहे, but she stays in Noida, कभी कोऑर्डिनेशन अभी हुई नहीं. Rank 30 खुशी मलिक. I just want to give you an example. I think she had a part A in 51, 52, but had a part B like score of 48. That's pretty much, मतलब part B में. So this year I've seen is that people getting saved by part B, good performances in part B, and I've seen 2 cases of mine that are personally missed out by 1.5 marks thanks to low marks in part B, but had a 60 pluses in part A. So 55 plus you need in part A to be on the safer side, to get the part B assessed, and then part B is strictly assessed. People are not out of 75, मतलब rank 1's at 48.5 this year. You're not crossing a 50, you're not crossing, barely anyone will cross a 45, I believe. This range of 39 to 42 wali range is the damn near perfect score that you think that you can get. That is why अभी यहाँ पे भी मतलब जब हम मॉक्स चेक करते हैं तो बहुत लोग बोलते हैं कि जी मार्क्स कैसे बढ़ाऊँ, मैं दूंगा ही नहीं, मैं कसम खा के बैठा हुआ हूँ that out of the 12, पहले तो 10 marking होती थी, out of 12 I'm not going to give you more than 7, because that is what these guys are doing. You can write as brilliant an answer as possible, you are not going to get a more than a 7 or 8ish. मतलब 8 तो बहुत ज़्यादा ही हो गया, I believe 7 तक भी मिल जाए तो बहुत बड़ी बात है.
Yeah, and also in part B, I think structure is very important, because I came across a lot of people, and like 2-3, we're still friends. So I remember they were finishing in time. They were finishing their essay, and I was like, how is this happening? I'm the only one who's not able to do it. And they faced an issue with structuring their answers. which fortunately to a certain extent by then, even though I was very repetitive, I could do.
You remember this person jinke I had shown all the good answers? That
Yes.
person was from only the mock series. In the live classes, I'd shown you the bad answers, I'd shown you the good answers. Eventually Ramshah's answers were discussed in mock 7 and 8 because they were brilliant answers, but that person didn't make it. That person should have made it. The brilliance of part B in her answers, matlab it shone through. I do not know what the issue was. ऐसे भी लोग हैं, मतलब those were the most crystal clear structured part B answers, and when I messaged her कि क्या हुआ भाई तुमने कुछ बताया नहीं, तो she was like नहीं हुआ है मेरा. तो होता है, but part B structure, as she is saying, that there is a structure to it. You have to, like, you know, जैसे सैन यहाँ पे करता था वो, I remember that वो जो situation थी in mock 8 about that person stealing, rather taking away the luxury bag in an accident, if you remember, right?
Yes.
So he was arguing how come a luxury store doesn't have any sensors. I was like, भाई हाथ जुड़वा ले, नहीं ये नहीं होने वाला. You have to. This is that damn test that out of the situation that they have given you, can you focus on the legal bit of it without referring to the law, because that is not required. But however, can you filter out the legal issue out of that? And I believe as you grow older, you become better at spotting all of this.
So, but also to add to that, I really think practice plays a huge role, because I remember जब मैंने practice करना शुरू करा था, and I got access to whatever I could, like the PYQs, the past year LL.B का questions, and I remember I was making the same mistake. I was writing out of scope, and there's always one issue that needs to be identified, जिसके basis पे the arguments will be written.
That is the key. और ये जब शुरुआत में जब तैयारी कोई करता है, like let us say 18 plus 3 is 21, 22 year old, everyone thinks that they need to write something so grand कि इन्होंने कभी देखा नहीं होगा. और मुसीबत ये है कि वो देखते ही नहीं है.
It's very simple, short, simple answers that they want.
And stick to the damn point and मतलब get it done and over with. Essay again is interrelated to current affairs. They will not tell you what topic explicitly. But if you are aware, so for example, this year's essay topic, do women need to be paid for housework, is they are shouting indirectly कि मिसेस के बारे में लिख के उसको इंटरलिंक करके बता दें, है ना? Because this year this movie theme was there, and I believe the examiner really becomes active from October. मतलब अभी नहीं है examiner active, अभी सब सो रखे हैं, इस साल के admissions करेंगे, सब करेंगे. October till March is where the entire that game plan basically is. And if you want to add something to that, we add, otherwise we wrap it up.
No, sir, I just want to add that it's very important to develop a habit of reading and writing.
Role of coaching, I will do pseudo marketing.
Yes. Sir, I think the mocks were absolutely instrumental. Matlab, especially offline mocks, which is not to be found anywhere else, of course. So offline mocks, not only is the peer support connections that you build and the exchange of who is doing what really helps, but also that environment, because it's the same thing in the exam. You have to come all the way from a certain distance, you have to set yourself up, and again, like that setup itself makes a huge difference, because in the comfort of your home, whenever you feel like taking it, but with the offline mocks, like you had a fixed timing, so that really helped. And again, this small things with critical reasoning and reading comprehension in your module also, like the however wala point that I highlighted, that also really helps. I think that point that you made really helped me in part B, legal answer writing also. That okay, they are giving the premise, then there is a twist.
Yeah.
So
that's basically classic VARC. इस साल तो मतलब I'm going to shoot a lot of it afresh. पुराने वाले I'm going to keep because उसके अंदर वो छोटे pointers हैं. But ये जो छोटे जो pointers हैं ना, this is basically that golden advice based gained via decades मतलब of teaching experience. Basically वो पता चल जाता है. अच्छा, हमें भी day 1 पे नहीं पता होता है. It's just that अब इतने साल हो गए ये करते करते, So when I took the paper in 22, I intentionally went to NLU Delhi and went through the exam. So I was in 22 I was like 36ish or something, and so when I saw all around in that exam hall, मुझे आज भी याद है, I was sitting like at, so I could see कि कौन क्या कर रहा है, मतलब बिल्कुल पीछे मैं बैठा हुआ था. And by the time that I was through part A, people were not through part A. People were at the question number 50, 52-ish mark, and I was through with 75. But that's the age and maturity ka difference. And by the time, so I knew कि this is going to hit them. Part B is going, ये नहीं खत्म करने वाले चाहे कोई भी. And in 22, Ayushi managed rank 1. There was rank 6. Meher Gandhi था उनका नाम. She is a different Meher. Meher वालों का नाम बाबा की मेहर उन पे ज़्यादा है. I think they clear the exams. उस साल में we figured कि ये जो 6 केस जो पूछ रहे हैं, it is too much. In fact, till last year also they were asking 6 cases. Only in your exam they eliminated 1, increased every 5, basically those 5 cases by 2 marks. So instead of 10, you are now being marked out of 12, and then the essay. If that 6th case exists, there is no way that you are getting to the essay. And this they must have noted. So up till I think mock 4, we were doing 6 cases, and then when they notified the new pattern, then we shifted the mocks to 5 cases. छठे केस में नहीं हो ही नहीं सकता, पेपर ही नहीं पूरा होना.
Also I remember doing this thing in the exam. I was really scared I wouldn't be able to write the essay. So once I finished part A, I started with the essay only.
हाँ, these were multiple strategies we adopted in this classroom कि इस mock में पहले essay लिखो.
Yes.
इस mock में पहले part B करके देख लो. Whatever suits you best.
Yes.
In fact, one of the students, उसकी मतलब I think she was in the mock series. She told me she wrote the part B पहले and she did part A बाद में. It suited her. It worked for her. ये भी है कई लोगों का. But I do not recommend that this contrarian approach unless and until you have tested this over like 10 mocks. Ki yes, this is truly working. There is one more additional factor in addition to whatever Meghna has said is reading fatigue. People don't factor it out. You're reading so much that by the time 1 hour, 10 minutes, 20 minutes, your mind is like, मैं DU चले जाऊंगा, मतलब कुछ और किसी और कॉलेज में चले जाऊंगा. Not looking down upon DU or anything. मैं हाथ जुड़वा ले, मेरे तो नहीं होने वाला. And this is what you have to battle.
Yeah, but that's where like you also said this, I remember in one of the sessions that we had, that's why developing the habit of reading is very important.
Without your phone.
Yeah, because in the beginning तो लगता है कि हाँ ठीक है. By the time you reach the 4th or 5th passage, it starts hitting.
When I create the mocks, so when I create the mocks, जब मैं part A बनाता हूँ, उसके बाद मैं नहीं कुछ काम नहीं कर सकता हूँ उस दिन के बाद, वो खत्म हो गया. All the intellectual capacity, capability has flown out into the mock, and even I am fatigued. So when under exam condition, I know when I give it to you, you're going to get battered by part A. And by the time that you're reaching part B, you're already mentally at least fatigued by that.
So also something I really liked about TLOI mocks is that the difficulty level was different. So it was not कि सारे mocks difficult है या सारे mocks are moderate or easy. There were varying difficulty levels.
इस साल तो मैंने क्या करा है that the previous year test series up till mock 10, basically 2 of your mocks, 8 of this year, given it as practice material. अब इस बार तो नहीं बनेगी अक्टूबर से. And I am going to create each month ka on one will be extreme difficulty, one will be very low difficulty, again to copy this style only, because actually is exam ki mock series has to be created afresh every year. Because जो पुराने वाले passages हैं like ये The Hindu, Indian Express से जो अभी जो editorials जो pull out करे हुए हैं, they are theme based, they are all outdated now. They are all irrelevant for 26. So let us see how it goes for 26. ठीक है जी. I think we wrap it up here. Thank you so much again for doing this, for taking out the time. If you have, reach out to her on LinkedIn. We guys are running, we have a pecuniary interest in all of these matters, I believe. But if you need any help, well then, Courtroom by TLOI, the other channel also. If you want to reach out to students, these guys are always there for help. Wishing you folks all the very best. We wrap it up here.
Thank you, sir.